How to switch to a professional account in Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Instagram application. Then tap on your profile icon from your bottom right corner. Now from your top right, go to the menu bar. Now scroll down, then go to account types and tools. Try to find it. Now go to switch to a professional account. Keep on tapping next. Select your category. Then select switch to professional account. Select if you are a creator or a business. Keep on tapping continue. Fill up all the necessary details and you will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.